like it, I buy it. I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking the fluent.
Guys, Lindsay, and if you have your Samsung Galaxy devices and they are not charging for whatever reason and just won't turn on, I am going to show you exactly how to fix this issue. Well, as you know, you can try the button combinations, and if they are not working, then I just want to show you this method in which you can try. At times the phone can be frozen, so you can try the button combinations, which is volume up, the power button, and Bixby for your device, or the home button. And also you can switch it around. You can try the power button, the volume down, and Bixby here, or the home button, depending on your device. So I am going to actually use this technique to try and power up the device. I am going to use this wireless charger. So in so doing, I am going to use the USB charger as well. So the phone will be charging from the wireless charger and also the USB charger here. So you want to do something like this to jumpstart the phone to charge. So as you can see, and we actually have about 82% on the battery level, but for some reason it just won't turn on. So let me go ahead and try turning this on. So now the phone is turning on. We can then go ahead and we can remove the wireless charger, and we can just charge the phone successfully. This is actually a technique that you can try if you experiencing an issue where your phone is not charging, not turning on. Try using both chargers. There are phones that is IQ standard, meaning that it can charge using one of these wireless charger, and it's very good to keep one of these. So I recommend that you keep one of these chargers if you have a phone that can work wirelessly. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I'm out.